Morning. So it's before work on a Monday, so I'm just trying to get some little things done, working on finding out where the body's at and the parts of the body, what I have to do. So every day trying to get a little bit done. My overall goal is 2 years on getting this thing up and running the way I want, and doing a lot of research, part numbers, trying to figure out what suspensions I want to use, because I want it, like I said before in the other videos, I want a QA1 front, I think, or a tubular control arm front. And then I'm going to do a 4-link in the rear. Whoops. Here we go. Over there, rear. So I'm going to do a 4-link in the rear. But so I'm going to start tearing into the body a little bit and finding out what dents and Bondo and whatever I've got into it. It's got a lot of years of people touching it. So I'm finding 3 colors on the car. I found white, which we found out from the paint code that it is a white paint, and then found a blue, and also found a green. So it looks like it's got some parts from different cars on it, like the trunk lid's green, the Valance has a blue on it, and then white under the main body. So I think that's what we got. So anyways, 1 day before work and 2 years to finish the project. That's my goal. So this morning I'm sanding this down a little bit. You can see it was all red, but it had some splotches in it, but I'm finding got its dent through here and a little bit of a bend here, and some little things, low spots you can see. But overall, I mean, I haven't hit any Bondo or anything like that yet. This was a little cut up. I might have to repair that a little bit. But working my way across, getting this surface rust off here. This is what it looked like when I started. So just working on the Valance before work, trying to get something done every day, however little it is, but every day counts. So I got a lot of the junk and scale off the back of this, and just trying to get it cleaned up so I can get some 415 on this and in the back when I'm ready, and I won't have to worry about contaminants. But it's looking pretty good. No scale or anything. It's all nice. It just had some road grime and junk like that in it. So it's looking good. So got all the paint off the front half. It's looking good. Pretty happy with it. Gonna have to put some rust neutralizer on here and try to find out if I can get this really good and sealed up so that it doesn't rust or continue to rust. So anyways, pretty productive morning before I go to work. So a little bit of work today. I think it's gonna pay dividends. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. So like I said, I think I started at like 9:30, 10 o'clock, and it's about 12 o'clock right now. Time for me to go get cleaned up and get ready to go to work. But I feel accomplished and got something done.